Alright, in my last video I talked about my first look and hands-on of the RedMagic 7 Chinese version, and seems you guys loved it. It has cool design, exaggerating heat dissipation, and a world-class gaming performance. Everything is so cool and gaming. Well, this video is for the global edition. I will try to cover everything you need to know about this incredible handset. Let's go. Regarding the unboxing, since my unit is prototype, there might be some difference from the official release. Compared to the Chinese version unboxing, I think the biggest difference is the 65 watts fast charger, which the former provides a 165 watts charger. Don't feel sad about it, because the global version supports the NFC function, whilst the China one doesn't offer. RedMagic was kind enough to send me another colorful review, which is my favorite, the Supernova edition, namely the transparent one. That's a crazy cool phone. RedMagic has taken advantage of the transparent finish and put some highlights on it. What's more importantly is the Rgb Fan. You can enable it by pressing Game Fan widget on the home screen, and it has two modes. One is weaker and the other is stronger. In either mode, the noise is not loud at all. The RedMagic 7 also has another color called Obsidian, the black one. For the pricing and availability, you can check out the link in the description. Regarding the specs and its world-class cooling system, I've already talked a lot in my previous video, so here I'm not going to repeat it. Basically, the global version and the Chinese version share the same hardware. Still, I will list everything on the screen, you can check them out. Whatever you want to talk about the real-life user experience, and why you might consider this handset instead of others. First is the 165Hz screen. It looks incredibly smooth. It's hard to describe the difference between a 120Hz screen like on the Oppo Find X3 Pro, a 144Hz display like on the ROG Phone 5, and the RedMagic's 165Hz panel. But compared to a 60Hz display, the RedMagic 7 is like a first-class seat for your eyes. Second is ultra smooth gaming experience. It sports a red game space key on the left side. You slide over to enter the game space. You can choose titles, control the turbo fan, or while muting notifications and non-gaming distractions. During gameplay, game space controls can be accessed with just a simple finger slide. The game space control panel also has shortcuts for screen brightness, mapping game controls, recording gameplay, and more. Speaking of mapping, it is probably the best gaming feature on the device. On the side of the phone are two touch-sensitive areas that can be used as shoulder buttons for games. You can map two different gestures to each of these buttons. Thus, during gameplay, a single touch on the shoulder key triggers two actions, and you will always be faster to kill your enemy. And I think I prefer these touch-sensitive keys over the physical ones on the Redmi K50 Gaming because you don't have to press them down. Third, of course, the thermal control, which ensures a stable gaming performance. During long bouts of gaming, the RedMagic 7 never got too hot to hold. The internal fan, along with the improved cooling system, IC 8.0, which includes a 9-layer cooling structure, made it one of the most comfortable phones to play games on in terms of temperature. For others, the phone features a 4500 mAh battery, which is 550 mAh less than its predecessor, but considering it offers a 65 watts fast charger, I can happily live with it. In case you want to know the sound, here it is. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect. The rear camera sports a 64 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra-wide, and 2 megapixel macro. Here are some photo samples. Not very impressive, but more than enough to handle daily tasks here. To conclude, I think for the specific niche, RedMagic has done an excellent job. It offers all the best possible cool gaming features that a hardcore gamer needs, like uncompromised stable gaming performance, smooth little gaming designs that help you win in the battle, superb thermal control. If all you did was game, then this RedMagic 7 phone is worth every penny. And as far as I'm concerned, it is one of the best gaming phones, if not the best, on the market.